When Joanna came to me and presented the AppMaxer to me, I got extremely excited. There's a lot of products on the market that claims to do various things of physical enhancement, but very few of them are actually congruent with the human physiology, and especially the spine, that is my interest because I'm a chiropractor. Not only has she developed a program of 30 minutes that gives you a fantastic body toning, but she's also developed a product that supports your neck during a lot of these exercises. It actually goes hand in hand 100% with the natural curve of the neck, which is meant to be between 35 and 41 degrees. The beauty of the AppMaxer is it supports the neck in a normal position. If you look at this x-ray, you can see the normal anatomical position of a neck with a beautiful backwards curvature. However, if you look at this x-ray, you can see somebody who have got a severe forward head carriage. That's where the AppMaxer supports your neck in the natural position and avoid further damage. All that damage that can come from trauma, the way you were born, or the way you've been sitting in an office chair for 20 years. A beautiful feature of the AppMaxer is that it can be utilized at home, gives you the chance to progress from the 1 kilo model up to the 5 kilo model. With the 24 exercises that Joanna has designed, you have the possibility of developing a massive overall body fitness over a short period of time in an extremely safe home environment.